In this video, I'll show you how to check your options profit and loss in Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the graph icon or go straight to your portfolio. Scroll down until you see your options positions and tap on the specific contract you want to check. Once you're on the contract details page, you'll see the current value of your position along with your total return. This shows how much you've gained or lost in both dollar amount and percentage. You can also tap on View Details or scroll further to see your average cost, current price, and today's return. If you want a clearer breakdown, compare your average cost per contract with the current market price to understand your profit or loss. You can switch between daily return and total return to track short-term and overall performance. Keep checking this regularly to manage your trades better. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.